Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Biyahe tayo ulit. I'm going home. I'm coming home to town from Cebu City to Plaridel via Bohol, Tagbilaran, Bohol and Siquijor, then to Plaridel. This is Pier 1 or Pier 1 in Cebu City Terminal. So dirita mo kuan para sa atong departure. This is the departure area. Mag-queuing ta for the bus ride. Kasi mo sakay pamantag bus going to the ferry mismo. So my schedule departure is 1 o'clock. So mga 11:30 na nami diri sa terminal para dili ma-crowded, dili tama biyaan sa barko. Now we are boarding at the bus. Sara man ni kalibot padulong sa ferry para mosakay nami sa ferry. For those who are sa schedule sa light ferries, Cebu to Plaridel is Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So, the same na siya sa Biatag Bilaran man niya o Biasikyao. So, the same lang sila. Plaridel to Cebu is Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Biasikyao ona, then Bohol, then Cebu. So this is the ferry, Light Ferry 10, bound to Plaridel from Cebu. Mao ni among sakyan. Pier 1, Cebu City. This is the economy. If you want to know how much the fare is, Cebu to Plaridel, please watch my video until the end. Leaving Cebu City. Kantin. Prospero año, felicidad. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. 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 The longest bridge in Cebu City that connects to Mactan to Cordova. Approaching Bohol, island of Bohol, Philippines. That's a video. Welcome to Bohol. Bohol beer. This is another light ferry. This is via Bohol to Dumaguete. So, light na siya destination. At dahil nagutom kami, lumabas kami sa terminal. Papunta ka ng 7-Eleven. This is Tagbilaran, Bohol. Kakain muna kami because 8 o'clock pa mag-depart ang barko padlong sa Siquijor. Goodbye, Bohol. Hello, Florida. Finally, we reached our destination. This is Plaridel, Misamis Occidental, Plaridel Port. For the fare, Cebu Plaridel, for economy is 1,030 and for the tourist accommodation is 1,430. If you travel to Tagbilaran, Bohol only, the fare is 400 for economy and for the tourist accommodation is 520. For if you travel Cebu to Siquijor, the fare is 605 for the economy and 770 for the tourist. So the cabin accommodation no longer available at this moment. So for the update, just contact Light Ferries for more detailed information. Thank you for watching. Sa wala pa subscribe, please subscribe my channel, like and share para updated kayo sa next uploads. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.